Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do the gel overlay. I haven't done any manicure because it's not necessary for the first steps. The only thing that I did it was I prepared the nail file buffer and then I put the hydration, bonder and a small layer of fiber base to hold the nail and protect it. Now the second part is we take a builder gel or modeling gel, it's the same for me. And instead of having a small first layer, we don't do anything. We just keep putting gel here in the middle and down. We don't want to file the nail because it's not necessary. We're gonna do it afterwards. It's gonna take us double time. And we want to be fast and correct and clean. That's the most important. If you want to correct the shape, put second time. I will show you how. Put second time gel in the edge and then you will correct it immediately. You see, I don't want to put a lot. I want to put little bit and cover corners from the middle and down and the edge of the nail. Like that. Here you see we have a small gap. It's not, we will not gonna do it now. It doesn't bother us right now because we're gonna have a little bit more to this edge. Okay, we will put it 1 minute. So we are back and I'm going a little bit closer to you so I can show you what we're gonna do. I'm taking a little bit to my brush, like a small drop, let's say, and place it, sorry, here to the edge. We don't care if it touch because we're gonna correct it. If it touch the skin, right now, we just want to place it here so it will be covered. Good. So as you see, yes, in red here, but it doesn't bothering us for now. I put a little bit, yes, it has gap, but we're gonna file it. It's gonna be like that. Let me show you also the other nails. So we take the thickness with our cleaner. Let me do the camera a little bit like that. And I'm gonna take my file and start filing until everything becomes one with the nail. We don't want these gaps. That's what we want to have, not this. We want it all matte and smooth, like it's her natural nail. That's what overlay does. We strengthen the edge from the middle and down, so we were not gonna have weak nails. Okay, once we're done with that step, we can do also the shape. We can create it, the shape that we want. See? It doesn't have any bumps. It doesn't have anything. It's as smooth as her natural nail, and you can see it's strong. Do you feel it strong?
Yes.
And in my case, I always take one thinner file and then I file it underneath. I push a little bit so the material will not gonna touch her skin. And then we can easily do the shape that our client wants. Yes. So afterwards we can file it with our bead. So this is what an overlay, you can file it, a little bit, buffer it so it will be even smoother. So I can show you. So here it is. It's fast, easy, and really practical for girls that have really weak nails or damaged. Here you go. And I will put you now the finishing